Techno Industrial Products offers spring check valves and SS304 material. All valves of these series are manufactured as per ASTM B16.34 standard, and we are committed to provide best quality at affordable prices. These valves are widely used in high-quality, demanding industries such as pharma, dairy, edible oils, sugar, paper, etc. Heavy-duty industrial boilers and dryers, irrigation industry, HVAC system, compressed air and gas systems, and pneumatic fixtures, etc., and much more you can think of. Purpose of this valve is to disallow fluid to go back in the pipeline. Due to its spring-acting disc attached to it, fluid once passes from this valve cannot go back into the pipeline as showed in the working. Available in various sizes to support your working. Thanks for watching.